Every journey begins at the source, deep inside banana farms.
Only mature banana stems are chosen for fiber extraction.
Harvesting begins with precision and care.
Outer layers are removed to reveal usable fiber. Harvested stems are prepared for transport.
From field to factory, the process continues. Careful securing prevents damage during transport. Raw banana stems leave the farm for processing. The industrial journey of banana stem fiber has begun. Distance shortens between farm and factory. The harvested banana stems begin their journey to processing. Processing begins where agriculture meets industry. Raw material reaches its destination. Every load is measured and documented.
Banana stem fiber enters the factory workflow.
Handling begins with controlled precision. Material flow starts at the receiving line.
The factory interior defines the next stage.
Technology prepares banana stems for transformation. Cleaning is the first industrial step.
Purity ensures fiber quality.
Only suitable stems move forward.
Human judgment refines machine cleaning.
Quality checks remain continuous.
Only the best material continues.
Uniformity begins with precise separation. Order prepares stems for extraction.
Preparation transitions into processing.
Core processing starts with controlled mechanical splitting. The core transformation is about to begin. Waste is separated to protect fiber purity. The fiber is ready for transformation. Alignment prepares fibers for uniform processing.
Softening transforms rigid fibers into workable material.
Drying stabilizes the fiber structure.
Inspection safeguards performance.
Moisture balance defines durability.
Uniform sizing improves downstream performance.
Final checks confirm readiness.
Human control guides machine intelligence. Hidden fibers are carefully revealed. Natural strength is drawn from the stem.
After washing, stems move forward for sorting.
Washing cleans and stabilizes the fibers. Controlled pressure shapes consistency.
Combing enhances smoothness and alignment.
The fiber approaches final refinement.
Even micro details matter.
Traceability is essential.
The fiber nears completion. Precision ensures consistent fiber quality.
Organized fibers improve handling.
Consistency defines reliability.
Balanced moisture ensures durability.
Quality is verified before approval. Strength determines performance.
Only approved fibers move on.
Automation increases speed while preserving precision.
Fiber enters advanced automation. Controlled winding preserves strength. Controlled treatment improves handling.
Exact thickness ensures performance.
Sensors monitor every millimeter.
Surface consistency enhances usability.
Finishing defines the fiber's final character.
Clean edges, complete refinement. Quality control takes the lead.
Uniform folding prepares final evaluation.
Packaging prepares the fiber for the world.
Careful packing preserves quality.
Traceability completes the process.
Finished fiber stands ready for dispatch. Storage maintains supply readiness. And this is how modern factories produce banana stem fiber from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.